Hello everyone. We're continuing with the EuChemS Awards information session. My name is Jelena Lazic and I'm a Science Communication and Policy Officer at EuChemS. The award we will talk about in the next couple of minutes is the EuChemS Lecture Award, which is given each year. The aim of the Lecture Award is to reward major achievements of one junior scientist who has significantly contributed to any field of chemistry. Who is eligible? Well, eligible are all junior scientists who have made major contributions to any area in chemistry and who have significantly advanced our understanding of that particular field. There are no specific requirements regarding the chemistry research field. The nominee can work in any area. The award is generally meant for scientists within 10 years since they completed their PhD. At the time of the nomination, the nominee must be working in a country with a EuChemS member organization. EuChemS has members in 33 different countries, and a list of EuChemS members is available on our website, and you can find it under the Members tab. If the nominee does not fulfill one of these requirements, the nomination will not be accepted. Who can submit a nomination? There is no requirement for the nominator to be a member of a EuChemS member organization or to work in a country which has at least one organization as part of EuChemS. Please keep in mind that self-nominations are not accepted. If a self-nomination is received, it will be rejected. In this part, we will go through the application process for the Lecture Award. The call is currently open since the 1st of September. The nominations must be submitted through the online form. They are only accepted if they are submitted through the online form. This online form is available on the EuChemS website. The nominator will be asked to provide some basic personal information, such as the name, the contact details, and the affiliation. In addition to that, the following documents are also required. A nomination letter, which should be written and signed by the nominator. In this letter, the nominator must explain why the nominee is eligible for the Lecture Award. In addition, 2 support letters should come from 2 additional scientists that are not working in the same institution as the nominee. There is no requirement for the supporters to be members of EuChemS. These 2 additional letters must not be written by the nominator. These letters have to be written by 2 different additional people. The CV of the nominee also has to be submitted, and it must not exceed 3 pages. The list of documents you must collect for the nomination is specified in the online form. You can submit all these documents through the online form, either as PDFs or as Word files. The call is open until the 31st of December. So in total, the nominators are given 4 months to submit a nomination for this award. If any of these documents is missing, the nomination will not be accepted. If the nomination is sent in some other way, for example, in an email, it will not be accepted. If the nomination is not sent before the deadline, it will, of course, not be accepted. Once the nomination call is closed, the International Award Committee starts its jury work. If you are interested in discovering more about the jury and its members, I invite you to have a look at the EuChemS website, as they are all listed and presented there. Same like for every EuChemS award, the chair of the jury committee sends the recommendation to the EuChemS Executive Board. The Executive Board makes the decision and the winner is announced. The awardee is invited to give a plenary lecture at the next European Chemistry Congress. In 1918, the Lecture Award was given to Raffaella Bonsanti, who gave an online webinar lecture, Colloidal Chemistry for Tunable Nanocrystals as CO2 Conversion Catalysts. In 1917, the Lecture Award was given to Anna Laura Capriotti. In total, more than 40 scientists have been awarded the EuChemS Lecture Award since 1980. You can discover more about the previous awardees on the EuChemS website. We have come to an end of the presentation of the lecture award. If you have any questions, please type them in the Q&A section or in the chat, and we will try to answer them live. If we run out of time and we haven't answered your question, please don't hesitate to get in touch with the EuChemS Secretariat. Thank you for being interested in this EuChemS award, and if you get nominated, we wish you good luck.